This Tybee model floor plan built by Pulte Homes features 5 bedrooms, 3 full baths and is practically brand new. Built in 2022, this corner unit on a large lot features luxury vinyl flooring throughout the first floor, smart home technology. This Pulte Smart Home comes equipped with a built-in security system and refined finishes. The property features an open layout concept. The kitchen features quartz countertops, custom cabinets, stainless steel appliances, backsplash and an oversized center island perfect for entertaining. The upstairs offers a family room that leads to the owner's suite. The master bathroom and all bathrooms also have quartz countertops. Security system that you can control with a simple touch of a button from your phone. There are 3 additional bedrooms upstairs, as well as the laundry room. There are no neighbors behind or directly in front. Move right into this resort-style community at EPPERSON. First Crystal Lagoon beach in the nation, measuring 7.5 acres. You will enjoy beach sand, paddle boarding, kayaking, water obstacle platform, water slide, swim-up bar, event pavilion, restaurant, cabana pool, dog park, playground, walking/riding trail bike and ultra-fi, Gigabit Wi-Fi. Located within 2 to 4 miles of SR 54, I-75, shops, hospitals, and restaurants. Including ultra-fi, Gigabit Wi-Fi. This home is located about 35 minutes north of downtown Tampa, 45 minutes from Tampa International Airport, an hour and a half from Orlando and Walt Disney World. Shopping centers like the Tampa Outlets and Shops at Wiregrass are only 15 minutes away. School information: Elementary School, Wesley Chapel Elementary, Middle School, Thomas